Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today we're exploring a town in Surrey where ancient history and modern life blend seamlessly. Its cobbled streets, vibrant gardens, and storied river have inspired generations, making it a living tapestry of English heritage. Join me as we uncover 13 must-visit places that make this town a truly perfect destination. Our journey begins at Guildford Castle, the ancient heart of the town and a symbol of its enduring legacy. Rising above the landscape, the castle's imposing presence has watched over Guildford for nearly 1,000 years, its stones echoing with stories of conquest, defence, and daily life. Built shortly after the Norman conquest of England, these weathered stone walls have silently witnessed centuries of English history unfold. From medieval battles and royal visits to peaceful times of prosperity, each block of masonry tells a tale of resilience and change. Today, the castle's gardens burst with colour, transforming the once formidable fortress into a tranquil haven. Visitors stroll among vibrant tulips and lush greenery, where the echoes of the past mingle with the laughter of families and the songs of birds. Here, where history and beauty meet atop a chalk mound, Guildford Castle offers a unique glimpse into the town's storied past. It stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the community and the rich tapestry of English heritage. Next, Guildford Cathedral rises gracefully from the crest of Stag Hill, its striking silhouette visible for miles around. This remarkable building is not just an architectural landmark, but a living testament to the enduring spirit of the community that built it. Bathed in the golden light of sunrise, the cathedral stands as a beacon of 20th century faith and togetherness, welcoming visitors and worshippers alike to its doors. Its clean, modern lines and soaring brickwork set it apart from the ornate stonework of England's ancient cathedrals, yet it pays homage to tradition through its timeless design. Step inside, and you'll find a serene, light-filled interior that inspires awe and reflection, offering a peaceful sanctuary from the bustle of daily life. Every brick was purchased by local people, each one a symbol of hope and generosity, forging a deep and lasting connection between the cathedral and the community it serves. Climb the tower, and you're rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views stretching across Surrey's rolling countryside, a reminder of the cathedral's place at the heart of the region. Today, Guildford Cathedral stands as a powerful symbol of hope, unity, and the enduring faith of all who come here, continuing to inspire generations. Descend into the vibrant High Street, Guildford's bustling core. Here, Tudor, Georgian, and Victorian buildings line a steep cobbled street, each telling a story of prosperity and adaptation. The iconic Guildhall clock presides over a lively mix of shops, cafes, and markets. This street is the town's living artery, where history and daily life pulse together. Flowing through the town, the River Wey and Godalming navigations shaped Guildford's fortunes. Once a vital trade route, its tranquil towpaths now offer peaceful walks and glimpses of wildlife. Boat trips reveal historic wharves and stone bridges, echoing the river's industrious past. The Wey remains a serene escape, connecting town and countryside. Loseley Park, just outside town, is a preserved Elizabethan gem. Home to the Moore Molyneux family for centuries, its halls and gardens are steeped in history. The walled garden, designed by Gertrude Jekyll, bursts with colour and fragrance, complementing the stately house. Loseley is a living link to England's golden age. Nestled in the tranquil village of Compton, Watts Gallery, Artists' Village stands as a living tribute to the vision and creativity of G.F. and Mary Watts. This remarkable place is more than just a gallery. It's a vibrant cultural hub where art, history, and community come together in harmony. Inside, visitors are greeted by an impressive collection of grand historical paintings, each telling its own story. The extraordinary Watts Chapel, with its intricate terracotta decorations and deeply symbolic carvings, stands as a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, inspiring awe in all who see it. The village was founded with a powerful mission: to make art accessible to everyone, regardless of background. Here, creativity flourishes alongside a strong sense of community, as people of all ages come together to experience, learn, and create. Step inside the chapel and you'll discover a vibrant, almost otherworldly interior filled with colourful gesso panels and intricate details. Every corner is a testament to the collective artistry and dedication of those who built and decorated it. Today, Watts Village remains a unique haven for art lovers, a place where the spirit of creativity is alive, welcoming all who seek inspiration. Guildford Museum preserves the town's stories in a charming, historic setting. Its collections span from prehistoric finds to the life of Lewis Carroll, offering a window into local heritage. Exhibits on industry, daily life, and personal artifacts reveal the town's true character. The museum is essential for anyone seeking Guildford's deeper story. Stoke Park is Guildford's largest green space, gifted to the town in the 1920s. Its rolling fields, playgrounds, and gardens offer recreation and tranquility for all ages. From lively sports to quiet corners under ancient trees, the park balances activity and peace. Stoke Park is the town's beloved green heart. The Yvonne Arnaud Theatre on the River Wey is Guildford's cultural hub. Its modern design hosts a vibrant mix of plays, musicals, and new writing. The theatre nurtures creativity, from main-stage productions to youth programmes. It's a place where stories come alive and community thrives. Hatchlands Park, a Georgian mansion set in rolling parkland, exudes classical elegance. Inside, the Cobb collection of historic musical instruments connects visitors to great composers. The surrounding landscape, designed by Humphrey Repton, invites leisurely walks among ancient oaks and open fields. Hatchlands blends art, music, and nature in perfect harmony. The Spike Heritage Centre reveals Guildford's social history through its preserved Victorian workhouse. Visitors experience the harsh realities faced by the destitute, from stark cells to arduous daily routines. Guided tours and personal stories bring this chapter of resilience and hardship to life. The Spike is a powerful reminder of compassion and change. Pewley Down, a wild chalk grassland above town, offers breathtaking views and rare wildlife. Its summit memorial honours the fallen of World War I, overlooking Guildford and the distant South Downs. The reserve teems with wildflowers and butterflies, alive with skylark song. Pewley Down is a precious natural sanctuary on the town's edge. Clarendon Park, once a grand Palladian mansion, was devastated by fire in 2015. Now preserved as a ruin, it stands as a testament to resilience and renewal. Walkways guide visitors through its haunting skeletal beauty, revealing both loss and hope. Clarendon Park is a living project, rising from the ashes. Our journey ends, but Guildford's spirit endures, a town where history, culture, and nature intertwine. From Norman castles to vibrant parks, every corner tells a story. Guildford is more than landmarks. It's a living community, inviting you to explore and connect. Discover your own perfect corner in this historic English jewel.